first campfire since being out east. I love campfires. I can sit by them all night and watch it like a TV show and just poke at the fire. It's one of the things I've always done. Love it. Pretty cool. I heard this noise, came out to see what was going on. And it looks like down there they're setting up one of those, I don't know what, paramotor, I guess you call it. So that'd be cool to see it take off right here in front of me. I hope. Yeah, who needs TV when you got this happening right outside your door? Amazing. There you go, they fired up the engines. That was freaking cool, man. That's got to be the coolest way to tour Quartzsite for sure. So cool. That's awesome. I guess they're on their way back now. Planes landing in the background. Beautiful sunset. Holy cow, what more could you ask for? Freaking love this place. Alrighty, I think we've been here long enough in solitude. I'm going to town, empty my cassette toilet, get some water, propane, and I think I'm just going to head over to Dome Rock, which is still in Quartzsite here. It's just on the other side of the highway. That was actually the first place that I boondocked at. So yeah, I think I'm going to head down there for a little change of scenery, a little something different. I still have to hang out in Quartzsite waiting for some mail. So yeah, let's head to town. Laundromat and showers here. That's where pretty well everybody comes to do their laundry. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Alright, shower. It works. Alright, shower's all done. Feeling much better. Shower and shave. Got 10 more minutes on my washing machine. I'm gonna throw everything in the dryer, and then I'm just gonna walk across the street to the Roadrunner market there. Get a couple quick groceries, and might get a pizza, and we'll be on our way. See you in a bit.
Like your shirt.
Oh, thanks.
I didn't realize it.
For a walk? Oh my goodness. Let's go this way. Let's go. Alright, good morning. We're at Dome Rock. We're actually going to go for a walk up Dome Rock, see how far we can get. There's a trail. Looks like there's some people on it right now. Yeah, we're going to go up there. I don't know if you guys can see the trail. Don't know how high it goes up all the way to the top. But we're gonna go check it out. Alright, we made it to the ledge up here. Just below the dome. You probably can't see because of the sun. But yeah, made it up here. The van is right about there somewhere. Down there, but yeah, that just shows how vast this BLM land is. That's the highway going across there, but all this is BLM land and you can camp pretty well anywhere you want. Because you don't get too close to the edge. Freak me out. Yeah. There's the van. The center screen. Way down there. So yeah, a little out of breath. That's a good climb, good exercise. I need that. Need to get in a little bit better shape than what I am. And yeah, gonna take a rest up here for a minute and make our way back down. It's getting warm in the sun actually. Okay, now the easy part is going downhill. As long as I don't slip and break a freaking ankle or something. Doozer's ready to go. Alright, we'll see you guys at the bottom. This is a lot steeper than I was expecting. Maybe Mr. Doozer's having problems getting down because the rocks are so shaly and slippery and everything. Just gonna slip under your feet. We're gonna make it. Oh shit, you hear that? Alright, we made it back safely. Yeah. Okay. Made it back safely to the van. Gonna have some lunch now, but probably gonna end the video right here. So hopefully we'll see you guys next week. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.